You just landed after a long-haul flight, you're jet-lagged, the airport is packed, and the taxi line is a nightmare. Yeah, been there. But then I discovered Welcome Pickups, and honestly, it's a travel hack I wish I knew sooner. Welcome Pickups is like your own personal airport chauffeur, except it doesn't cost an arm and a leg. They operate in over 300 cities worldwide, and you book your ride before you even board the plane. Your driver meets you at the arrivals gate, helps with your bags, and drives you straight to your hotel. Here's why it stands out. You get a free 60-minute waiting window. They track your flight in real time. All drivers speak English. And the price? Locked in. No hidden fees. It's like having a reliable local friend pick you up, except it's fully professional. I used it during my trip to Athens, and I swear, my driver was already texting me before I left the plane. He was waiting at arrivals with my name on a sign, helped me with bags, and even gave me tips on restaurants. The car was super clean, and honestly, it felt like VIP treatment after a long flight. Here's the breakdown. Pros? No more haggling with taxis. Stress-free arrival. Super easy online booking. Great for families, solo travelers, or business trips. Cons? If you cancel last minute, you might get charged. And yes, like any service, rare hiccups can happen. If you're flying into a new country, or traveling with kids or luggage, or just want to skip the stress, Welcome Pickups is honestly worth it. Try it for your next trip. I've dropped my affiliate link in the description below. Booking is easy, and you'll thank yourself when you're not fighting for a taxi after a long flight. Hit like if you found this useful, and drop a comment if you've used Welcome Pickups before. I'd love to hear your experience. Safe travels, and I'll see you in the next video.